To fix a Wix website that is not working, start by checking the website's status on the Wix website. If the website is down, it may be due to maintenance or technical issues on Wix's end. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A slow or unstable internet connection can cause your website to load slowly or not at all. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted files can cause issues with your website. Try loading your website in a different browser to see if the issue is browser-specific. Check your website's settings to ensure that it is published and set to be visible to the public. Make sure that your Wix account is active and that your subscription is up to date. If you have made recent changes to your website, try reverting back to a previous version to see if the issue is due to a recent update. Check for any error messages or warnings on your Wix dashboard, as these can provide clues about what is causing the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Wix support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and get your website up and running again. In addition to these steps, it is also a good idea to regularly back up your website and keep your software and plugins up to date to prevent issues in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly identify and fix the issue with your Wix website and get it working again. Remember to always check the Wix website for any known issues or outages before troubleshooting your own website. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help prevent issues with your Wix website and ensure that it continues to run smoothly and efficiently.